until the break of dawn. Heartbeats racing in the night. Every moment now is gone. Screaming secrets to the stars. Wishing on a paper plane. Building castles made of jars. Captured sunshine in the rain. Memories like echoes fade. Still they linger like a song. In our minds they're boldly played. Yet we know they can't belong. Old photographs in a dusty box. Love notes scribbled on a page. In my head they paradox. Heat of youth now mellow sage. Time's a thief that steals our days. Leaves us with a gentle no. The fleeting dance beneath its blaze. Only shadows left to show. Footprints vanish from the shore. Whispers carried by the breeze. Moments lost yet something more. As forever in our seas. Memories like echoes fade. Still they linger like a song. In our minds that boldly play, you're right. Yet we know they can't belong. Old photographs in a dusty box. Still they linger like a song. In our minds that boldly play. Yet we know they can't belong. Old photographs in a dusty box. Love notes scribbled on a page. In my head they paradox. Heat of youth now mellow sage. Time's a thief that steals our days. Leaves us with a gentle no. The fleeting dance beneath its blaze. Only shadows left to show. Footprints vanish from the shore. Whispers carried by the breeze. Moments lost yet something more. Etched forever in our sleeves. Time's a beat that fills our days. Leaves us with a gentle numb. The fleeting dance beneath its blaze. Only shadows left to show. Footprints vanish from the shore. Whispers carried by the breeze. Moments lost in something more. And forever in our siege. Sunrise paints the window pane. Another day begins again. Empty coffee cup, a blurry haze. Trying to recall yesterday's maze.
Of tangled thoughts and unspoken fears. Whispered promises and unshed tears.
But something's shifting, a change in the air. A melody rising, a silent prayer. We're chasing shadows in the fading light. Searching for answers in the darkest night. But hope remains, a flicker in the soul.
so far away. Just gotta listen to what your heart wants to say. Let go of the darkness, embrace the unknown. You're stronger than you think, you're not alone. We're chasing shadows in the fading light. Searching for answers in the darkest flickering the soul to break these chains and finally be whole. Sunrise fades, the day is done. Sunrise paints the window pane. Another day begins again. Empty coffee cup, a blurry haze. Trying to recall yesterday's maze. Of tangled thoughts and unspoken fears. Whispered promises and unshed tears. But something's shifting, a change in the air. A melody rising, a silent prayer. We're chasing shadows in the fading light. Searching for answers in the darkest night. But hope remains, a flicker in the soul. To break these chains and finally